Here's a new 2018 Ford Super Duty F-350 single rear wheel. When you're built Ford tough, you look forward to the rough patches. This F-350 thrives when the work is hardest. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: integrated navigation system, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated steering wheel, turbo V8 engine, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Car and Driver remarks the full-size truck world remains wedded to the idea that bigger is better and that too much power will never be enough. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.